Hi everybody, it's Dan back again, and today I'm going to share with you my method for making my own custom organic potting soil. It is my own mix, and I'll be right back and show you how I do it, so stand by. Hi everybody, so here's the ingredients that I use when I want to make my custom potting soil. So basically what I have here is I have three items. I have my organic worm castings that I produce myself from my own worm bins. Although you could buy this, at any of the big box stores. I think you get a bag of it for $8 or $9. About a half a cup of vermiculite, and then this is the material that I found the other day. It's this here. I got it at Home Depot. I'm not compensated by them or anything. Jiffy seed starting mix. This is a 12-quart bag, and it's basically 50-60% peat moss, and about 30-40%, 50% coconut coir, and then it has a little vermiculite in it. Now this material is chopped up really fine already, so to me it just made more sense to get it where it was get the materials already all chopped up real fine and mixed, then try to go down and buy bulk of each, and then try to chop them up, get them blended and all that. So basically I use 1 part of worm castings, about a half a cup of vermiculite, and these are 1 gallon grow bags, by the way, and equal part to the worm castings of the Jiffy soil mix. So I'm going to mix all this and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back, and one thing I forgot to mention in the prior segment was this particular brand. I've gotten it at Home Depot, and it's only about $5 for a 12-quart bag. I don't know if they carry it in your area, but I thought, boy, $5, $5.50 for 12 quarts, and it's all pre-mixed, ground up to the right consistency. I just couldn't see how you could beat it, really. But back to the case here. So here is the mixed items, mixed ingredients, and I wish you could feel this, how light, fluffy, but still will hold its shape with a little pressure. And it smells like a forest floor. It just has the most fantastic smell. So I've used this personally on my vegetables in my vegetable garden, and the vegetables actually visually respond to it, just in my experience. So if you want to make your own potting soil as opposed to buying whatever's in those bags, you don't know what's in it, if you can raise your own worms to get your own worm castings, and this is organic here, a little vermiculite, you just can't go wrong. So I hope this gave you a good idea. As always, we appreciate you watching. Would love it if you would like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, good growing. Bye-bye.